Hey guys, it's King Arch 13. Welcome back to another video. Today we're heading out to a job site and we are drilling some wells for a plant, trying to see what kind of sand there is and what kind of materials are underground and seeing if there's water. So anyways, follow along with us in this video and we'll give you some updates on 350. And the main topic for this video is going to be one of the guys' new trucks. So it'll be cool. We'll do a little breakdown there. But if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know what y'all think about these trucks in today's video. Well, change of plans. As always, things are always moving around. We're heading that way and they're already done. So we're back at the yard now. Gonna give y'all a quick rundown of the 350. I hope the keys are inside. Let's see. Oh, sweet. All right, keys are inside. Let me back this truck up and play some musical trucks again. All right, guys, so this is a 2024 Ford F350 XL. And this is a work truck for one of our guys. And we put on 35, 1250, 17 tires, stock suspension. There's no level, no lift, nothing like that. Went ahead and put some Magnum steps on here. Got a lot better foothold, not as slick, and it's got a little bit wider for your foot. And then we've got 2-inch wheel spacers in the rear. And that's like the perfect amount of distance in between tires for if it's under load. Now in the back, run the cam locker, matte black toolbox with the railing. Of course, got our weed boost and got a 100-gallon tank in the back. It is a 100 by, y'all always ask for the brand on these and I don't remember. Oh, it's made by Kurt actually. So Kurt, 100-gallon fuel tank, and he hasn't put on the Fill Right 20-gallon per minute pump yet, but that's gonna go on there. Of course, got the spray and bed liner, as y'all may have seen in the previous video. The Gen Y, actually, we had to take this off, but this is gonna have the Gen Y torsion hitch on it. Anyhow, this is the setup. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's got a good little bit of stance right there, and then on the front, got some pretty decent stance as well. So here's the interior. I mean, XL specifically got vinyl, so it's easy to clean versus the cloth. All right, and here's the front, of course, vinyl, everything. And also, did you know that there's Apple CarPlay wireless on these trucks, even on an XL model? I mean, these XLs are starting to make sense of why they were so much more expensive. But this thing's a baby. It's only got, let's see how many miles on it. 700 miles. That's from going back and forth from the dealership a couple times because they had a change a exhaust sensor out and had to get some wheels and tires put on and all that stuff. But outside of that, brand spanking new truck for one of our guys. Should be a solid truck for many years to come. But this is kind of the tour of it. We're gonna put on logos, of course, and unit numbers and all that stuff. But I mean, this is, I think, some of the most ideal work truck setups that we've got. We've got this, and of course, we've got my 450. So we like to look good, work good, and yeah, live good. Is that trademarked? But anyhow, guys, so this is our newest addition to the fleet for elite drillers. All right, so we're gonna logo this truck out real quick. And I always like them on the front doors. So let's get to put these stickers on. All right, well, unit number 6 is commissioned, and hopefully y'all like the little walk around of this truck, but I think it's a great setup, especially for a work truck. I mean, look at those tires. I mean, it looks pretty sweet, especially the back. Pokes out just a little bit. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are on it, and if you drive this, if this was your work truck. And also a little teaser on my F350 King Ranch. Got some parts that fell on the porch, so keep on the lookout for that one. All right, till next time, guys. See you later.